gbàdúrà fún mi, bàbá mi máa ṣe ohun rere, gbàdúrà fún mi. Ọmọ tẹ́ bá wíwà burúkú wá ní ìyá rẹ̀ lóko. Ọmọ tẹ́ bá wíwà burúkú wá ní bàbá rẹ̀ lóko. Ìyá mi fọ̀nà tó dá mi láyé, bàbá mi fi wá tó dá mi láyé. Ayé tí mo wà yìí kò máa yé mi o, ẹ̀yin ni Ọlọ́run kejì mi láyé. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣeun rere tí wọ́n dára, bàbá wa ẹ̀ ṣeun rere tí wọ́n dára.
You are winners, not because you walk across this stage today with a piece of paper called testimonial. You are winners not because it is just your turn to graduate. You are winners not because your parents are rich and influential. You are winners because you have cried before you smiled. You are winners because you are the only set that experienced 3 principals in this school. You are winners because you have been painfully proved, because you have grown in knowledge and wisdom along the way of excellence. Each late night cram session, each group project, each examination was an opportunity for growth, an opportunity to win, which you seized with both hands. You are winners.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. Here we go, it's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just life, that's how it is. 'Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, oh, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. So stand up